Have you ever woken up with swollen ankles, felt constant fatigue, or been told your creatinine levels are creeping up? Your kidneys could be sending you a warning. These silent organs filter over 50 gallons of blood daily and eliminate toxins that would otherwise poison your system. But here's the thing. Many seniors unknowingly sabotage their kidneys with one major mistake every day: the wrong drinks. Sugary sodas, overly sweetened juices, and processed teas are loaded with added sugars, phosphorus, and preservatives that increase your risk of obesity, high blood pressure, diabetes, the three enemies of healthy kidneys. Today, we'll reveal 6 science-backed natural drinks that have been shown to support kidney detoxification, lower blood pressure, fight inflammation, and help prevent kidney stones. Let's start with number 1, a surprise favorite. 1. Black coffee, the unsuspected kidney protector. Believe it or not, your morning cup of black coffee could be doing more than just waking you up. It might also be protecting your kidneys. Recent studies have revealed surprising benefits. A 2022 study in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases found that drinking 1.5 cups of black coffee daily reduced the risk of developing kidney stones by 40%. Another study from Johns Hopkins Medicine showed a 15% lower risk of acute kidney injury among people who drank at least 1 cup of coffee each day. So how does this work? Coffee naturally boosts blood circulation, including to the kidneys. Better blood flow helps the kidneys filter waste more efficiently. It also improves how oxygen is used in kidney tissues, reducing the chance of damage. Plus, coffee contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect kidney cells from long-term stress and inflammation. But here's the important part. The benefits come from pure black coffee, not the sugary, creamy versions. Adding milk, flavored creamers, or syrups may introduce high levels of phosphorus, potassium, and sugar, which are especially risky for those with chronic kidney disease, CKD. What to do? Drink 1 to 2 cups of black coffee daily. Don't add sugar or dairy. If you have high blood pressure or caffeine sensitivity, talk to your doctor before increasing your intake. When consumed wisely, black coffee is more than just a pick-me-up. It's a potential ally in your kidney health journey. 2. Green tea, the antioxidant powerhouse. Green tea is more than a calming beverage. It's loaded with catechins and polyphenol, potent antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, one of the major causes of kidney inflammation and damage. Studies have shown green tea helps lower blood pressure. It reduces inflammation in kidney tissues. It improves insulin sensitivity, key for diabetics at risk of kidney damage. It may even reduce kidney fibrosis, a hallmark of CKD progression. How to make it right? Use high-quality loose-leaf green tea, not cheap tea bags. Steep in hot, not boiling, water. Discard the first 10-second steep to reduce bitterness. Then steep again for 1 to 2 minutes. Drink 1 to 2 cups per day, especially in the morning or early afternoon. Avoid adding sugar or milk. 3. Cranberry juice, the UTI defender and anti-inflammatory agent. Cranberries contain proanthocyanidins that prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract. Lower inflammation markers in those with chronic kidney disease. Reduce recurrence of urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs, if left untreated, can travel up to the kidneys, causing serious infections. A 2013 study in the Journal of Nutrition showed cranberry juice reduced inflammation in CKD patients. And a 2016 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study confirmed it lowers UTI risk. Bonus, it may also slightly lower blood pressure and help reduce the formation of calcium oxalate kidney stones. How to drink it right? Choose 100% pure, unsweetened cranberry juice, not cranberry cocktail. Mix with water if it's too strong. Limit intake to 1 glass per day due to natural sugar content. 4. Lemon water, the citrate champion. Lemon water isn't just a refreshing drink. It's a powerful ally for your kidneys, especially for seniors looking to prevent stone formation and improve urinary health. Fresh lemon juice is naturally rich in citrate, a compound that plays a key role in preventing the formation of calcium oxalate kidney stones. Citrate works by binding with calcium in the urine, reducing its ability to form crystals and stones. A 2007 study published in the Journal of Urology confirmed that regular lemon juice intake significantly increases urinary citrate levels and reduces the risk of kidney stone recurrence. But the benefits don't stop there. While lemons are acidic in taste, once metabolized, they have an alkalizing effect on the body. This helps raise urinary pH, creating an environment that discourages the formation of uric acid stones, another common type of kidney stone. Lemon juice also delivers a strong dose of vitamin C, an antioxidant that combats oxidative stress, a process that can damage kidney cells over time, especially in those with chronic inflammation or high blood pressure. Try this bonus morning recipe. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, ACV. 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice. 500 milliliters warm water. This combination acts as a natural kidney cleanser, supports mild detox, and encourages healthy urine flow. Drink it first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, for the best results. Lemon water is a simple, low-cost way to protect your kidneys, 1 glass at a time. 5. Beet juice, the nitrate miracle. Beet juice is more than a vibrant red drink. It's a powerful kidney-supporting tonic, especially for seniors concerned about blood pressure and kidney function. What makes beet juice special is its high nitrate content. Once consumed, these natural nitrates are converted by the body into nitric oxide, NO. Nitric oxide acts as a natural vasodilator. It relaxes and widens blood vessels, improving circulation throughout the body, including the kidneys. Improved blood flow to the kidneys means better filtration, better oxygenation of kidney tissue, and less stress on these vital organs. Scientific evidence supports these effects. A 2008 study published in Hypertension found that beet juice significantly lowered systolic blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. Another study in the Journal of Medicinal Food, 2013, showed that beetroot extract reduced the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, one of the most common types of kidney stones. Beets are also rich in betalains, a group of antioxidants known for reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can damage kidney cells over time. But there's a note of caution. Beets are high in oxalates, which can increase the risk of kidney stones in people predisposed to them. If you have a history of stones, especially calcium oxalate stones, consult your doctor before drinking beet juice regularly. How to use. Stick to half a glass per day, ideally fresh and unsweetened. Drink it in the morning or post-exercise for maximum benefit. Beet juice, bold in color, even bolder in kidney benefits, when used wisely. 6. Water, the ultimate kidney drink. It sounds simple, but it's the most powerful. Why water matters. Flushes toxins through urine. Prevents kidney stone formation. Helps maintain electrolyte balance. Reduces UTI risk. Supports healthy blood pressure. Even mild dehydration puts a strain on kidney filtration. Without enough water, waste builds up in the blood and urine becomes concentrated, leading to crystal and stone formation. How much should seniors drink? The 8x8 rule, 8 8-ounce glasses, is a good baseline. But listen to your body. Urine should be pale yellow. Drink more in hot climates or during physical activity. Avoid relying on sugary beverages, teas with added preservatives, or flavored waters with hidden sodium and artificial sweeteners. Recap your daily kidney support drink plan. Supporting your kidney health doesn't require expensive supplements or complicated detoxes. It starts with what you drink and when you drink it. Here's a simple, science-backed drink schedule designed specifically for seniors to protect, cleanse, and energize your kidneys throughout the day. Morning. Start your day with warm lemon water mixed with apple cider vinegar, ACV. This combination provides citric acid, which helps prevent kidney stone formation, and acetic acid, which supports gentle detoxification. It also jumpstarts digestion and hydrates the body after sleep. Breakfast. Enjoy a cup of green tea or black coffee. Both are loaded with antioxidants. Green tea fights inflammation and helps regulate blood sugar, while black coffee boosts circulation to the kidneys and reduces the risk of kidney stones. Just avoid sugar and cream. Mid-morning. A half glass of beet juice delivers natural nitrates that improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure. Not a fan. Plain water is always a smart alternative to keep your kidneys flushed and functioning. Lunch. Add a glass of unsweetened cranberry juice. Rich in proanthocyanidins, it helps prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, and protects kidney tissues from inflammation and bacterial damage. Afternoon. Rehydrate with another cup of green tea or water to support gentle detox and steady blood pressure. Evening. Stick to water only in the evening. Avoid caffeine late in the day, as it can disrupt sleep and strain kidney function. Simple, natural, and easy to follow. This daily routine keeps your kidneys hydrated, protected, and working strong. You don't need fancy supplements or expensive detox kits to support your kidneys. What you drink daily either helps your kidneys or hurts them. By replacing high-sugar beverages with these 6 natural drinks, you support your filtration system, lower inflammation, prevent future problems, and most importantly, you take control of your health, one sip at a time. Start today, swap just one drink, then another. Within weeks, your kidneys will thank you. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and keep those kidneys strong for the long road ahead. For more trusted senior health tips backed by science, stay tuned.